So basically, this meeting is all about understanding and explaining the business requirement of the project called Skilled Health that we have started. And I'm going to brief you about the workflows which we have in the system. Sorry. Also, we have break down the project uh, into two parts. That is a phase one and phase two. And we are now working on the phase one. So once we complete the phase one, we will start phase two. All right. So shall we start? Okay. So Ravi, Himanshu, and Shazev, you three guys are on the call. Umang have some personal issues, so she would not be able to join. Irfan is on the way, so he would be joining in like 30 to 40 minutes. So you're gonna pitch in inside the call at any point of time. So so Ravi, you know Shazeb and Himanshu probably. Have you ever? Okay, so have you guys have met before or just like ये पहली बार एक formal call में हो? Okay, so let me introduce you guys all together formally. Ravi is a UI plus PHP developer, having 4 years of experience, right, Ravi? So he been working with us since like 1.5 months. He had worked on couple of projects, and he have also developed one WordPress site for the same client William, which we are doing the skilled health. Uh, so he would be actively playing a crucial UI role in this particular thing. This is not only thing that he knows UI, he also knows the PHP. But less he will do on PHP and more will be conducted by Himanshu and Shazib. Okay, so about Himanshu, Himanshu is like 2 years of experience working for PHP, working with us since like 6 months or so, and working as a junior developer. Shazev is our senior developer. He been working on the Magento and different website we had before, and now he will going to be an active PHP senior developer in the Skilled Health project. Umang, she's not there on the call, but she gonna take care of the testing, quality assurance, and gonna be working closely with you all three guys. So it's time when we actually start the teamwork and uh, complete the project on the time. Okay. सो सबके पास में ये सी एम एस मॉकअप स्क्रीन और स्किल्ड हेल्थ की एफ आर डी है. आई कांट हियर यू शाज़े प्रॉपर्ली. कैन यू कम क्लोजर टू द माइक? हाँ रवि, तुम्हारे पास है सारी तीनों चीज़ें, तीनों डॉक्स? ऑलराइट, कूल. सो टू स्टार्ट with the workflow, that actually what we are doing, why we are doing, people have a question in their mind that it's a skilled health project, so it has to do with the health, or is it something has to do with the skills? So let me start and brief you about the nature of the project. At any point of time, if you guys having any questions or having any doubt about the workflow, please, you are allowed to stop me in between and ask question. Okay. Also, I'm recording this entire session so that the requirements comes in handy, and in any point of time, if we are developing or we miss on any requirement, we can always go back to see the video tutorial which we are creating today. Fine. So to start with, I'm going to take the first point of our agenda is a business requirement explanation. Sorry. So most of you have known what kind of project we are doing, but let me brief you officially. So skilled health is particularly, are you guys comfortable with English, or should I go with the Hindi and actually we get into more into the deeper level of or concentrated level of the conversation? अच्छा, मिक्सअप कर लेता हूँ मैं एंड एक्चुअली देखते हैं कैसे चलता है. तो स्किल्ड हेल्थ इज अ प्रोजेक्ट अभी to explain the use case scenario. Think about a different domains a human resource management system जहाँ पे HR management है, और वहाँ पे we have couple of people around scattered across the city or country who are from the genre of the laborers. Labor, as in, like, I would not say the labor basically, but these are the skilled laborers in which are expertise in their fields, like a plumbers, car repair mechanics, or masons, or painters, or some kind of fitters, or the people who are actually goes to some industry and fitting some kind of instruments, material, assembling the sites. So basically what happens in the shore countries, जो major countries हैं, उसमें क्या होता है कि इस चीज़ के लिए भी हमारे इंडिया में मतलब कोई सर्टिफिकेशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You go to places and you get the labor and you can get started. But in the major big country where there is a lot of security and compliances, they need to go through some kind of certifications uh, to say that we are skilled in this particular plumbing job, or we are skilled in some kind of sewage line job. So for particularly for this kind of people and the domain, the skilled health project comes into the picture. So actually what happens is uh, this system is particularly a SaaS based system. SaaS based system, when I saying SaaS based system, is like software as a services, where our major client is the client is skilled health himself. His name is Ken. So he has got up with the idea, so that he tried implementing. He's actually on this business, in this business from since quite a while, and actually started to thinking about developing some kind of portal where he can ask couple of people around who are the skilled people providers. For example, there are different company. Let's suppose there is a IBM company, there is a TCS company, and there is a Cognizant company, and one is a Thought Yard Labs company. So these four companies are like a client to the skilled health. These companies are nothing but the agencies which provide the skilled health, which provides a skilled person available to the different customers. Basically, for example, if I say I need a plumber at my house, and what should I do? I don't have any numbers, I don't know anybody. What should I do? I will go to skilled health. Let's say I will go to TCS company and say, hi, hey, I need a plumber. So what they do is, like, they will search their database and pull up the plumber from the location. For example, I am sitting in the Jersey City, and there are a couple of contractors around which have got registered to the TCS. And what TCS will do is, TCS will call one of the plumber which is nearest to my location, and send it to my home to get it fixed. Uh, as a user, or as a uh, end user, what I believe is, like, the person who is coming into my home, one is has to be get verified for somewhere, so I have to actually get away from the tension of having some kind of security breaches in my house. So I just know that somebody who is certified and actually verified for some company, a legitimate company, who is coming to my house and fixing up the thing, so I'm secure. One thing. So this way, say, second thing is, like, I would be paying, not be paying to the person who is coming, or to the contractor who is coming. I'm directly paying to the agency, and the agency will take care of, like, my maintenances and all that stuff. So for this reasons, these many reasons comes into the picture. So that's how the Ken started this project, and actually tried to bring in this complete concept. So in my last 5 minute talk, you must have got what is the essence out of this particular project is. So basically, we drill down this complete process into the workflows, into the system, so that we can understand, and we can make a software out of it, a kind of a web application which is catered to the contractor. Right now, we are not covering the end user scenarios. End users means me or any other guy who actually needs the contractor at his house. So we are not covering that scenario. We are just covering the scenario where actually there are the operations involved between the skilled health as an admin and the clients are TCS and Cognizant and these kind of companies, and the contractors. So the system, yeah. Hmm. ओके, सो गुड क्वेश्चन, वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन। एक्चुअली क्या होगा स्टार्टिंग में, बेसिकली जो क्लाइंट्स हैं हमारे, मतलब स्किल्ड हेल्थ के जो क्लाइंट हैं, वो सबसे पहले रजिस्ट्रेशन करेंगे स्किल्ड हेल्थ के पास में। No, 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 no. Don't get confused. We are not covering the end user scenario. We are only covering the business side. तो अगर मैं अपने घर पे बैठा हुआ हूँ, मुझे कॉल करना है, तो आई एम नॉट कवरिंग द सिनेरियो इन माय एप्लीकेशन। दैट वाज ओनली फॉर मेकिंग यू एक्सप्लेन कि ये पूरा बिजनेस क्या है एक्चुअली। प्रोवाइडिंग अ कॉन्ट्रैक्टर टू द यूजर, एंड यूजर, ये पूरा बिजनेस है। बट यहाँ पे हमारे पास सिनेरियो क्या है कि स्किल्ड हेल्थ ऑलरेडी इस बिजनेस में है। टीसीएस, कॉग्निजेंट, आईबीएम जैसी कंपनियां ऑलरेडी इस तरह का काम कर रही हैं पहले, जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर प्रोवाइड करती हैं लोगों को। हम इस चीज को सिर्फ, हाँ, ऑनलाइन लेके आ रहे हैं। हम्म। राइट, 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 बट जो टर्मिनोलॉजीज यूज करी हैं वो थोड़ी सी गलत है। हमारे पास में यूजर बेस्ड रोल रहेंगे, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड। एक कॉन्ट्रैक्टर रहेगा जो कि खुद एक पर्सन है, जो स्किल्ड पर्सन है। दूसरा क्लाइंट रहेगा, क्लाइंट अपना टीसीएस है, आईबीएम जो सर्विस प्रोवाइडर है। और इसके ऊपर, सबसे ऊपर रहेगा स्किल्ड हेल्थ। तो स्किल्ड health is admin. He will not do anything, no operation jobs. What he will do is, like, he will ask TCS, he will ask IBM, he will ask Cognizant to come and get registered on the website. ठीक है। सो दैट इज हाउ यहाँ पे क्लाइंट रजिस्ट्रेशन है। यहाँ पे पीछे क्लाइंट रजिस्ट्रेशन है, एक स्क्रीन है डेडिकेटेडली। वो क्लाइंट के लिए रजिस्ट्रेशन है, जो कि $100 पे करके अपना सब्सक्रिप्शन करवाएगी स्किल्ड हेल्थ से। अंडरस्टूड? दैट इज अ पेड सर्विसेज टू जॉइन द स्किल्ड हेल्थ, बिकॉज वी आर गिविंग देम ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म टू डू दैट, द कंप्लीट प्रोसीजर। फाइन। हाँ, तो लेट्स कम बैक टू द स्लाइड एंड वी विल स्टार्ट हाउ इट एक्चुअली वर्क्स। सो सबसे पहला हमारा जो स्क्रीन है यहाँ पे, वो हमारा स्क्रीन है, इट्स अ होम पेज स्क्रीन वेर यू कैन एसेंशियली सी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर, क्लाइंट एंड ऑडिटर्स। ठीक है। तो बेसिकली जो फर्स्ट फ्लो हम लोग अभी जो सोच रहे हैं बनाने के लिए, दैट इज द कॉन्ट्रैक्टर लॉगिन। कॉन्ट्रैक्टर लॉगिन इज नथिंग but those plumbers and those barbers and those masons which actually come over the website. Question asked by Shazib is from where they will get the link to come, right? So इनिशियली जो टीसीएस कंपनी और कॉग्निजेंट कंपनी है, उनके पास में ऑलरेडी उनके कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स हैं जो कि डॉक्यूमेंट वेरीफाइड हैं। तो व्हाट दे विल डू इज दे विल इनिशिएट देयर कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स टू गो ऑन द इंटरनेट एंड रजिस्टर देयर इंफॉर्मेशन वंस अगेन। सो सो अभी दीज आर नॉट इन बुक्स, ये सब एक्सेल शीट्स में मेंटेन होता है, फाइल्स में मेंटेन होता है। नाउ इट विल गोना बी मेंटेन इन द वेब एप्लीकेशन इटसेल्फ। So here comes contractor into the picture. Okay, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले, नो, यस, करेक्ट। फॉर एग्जांपल देखो, आईटी इंडस्ट्री कैसे चलती है कि जो फ्रीलांसर्स होते हैं, ये सब चीजें होती है, दे आर द कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स, राइट। उनके ऊपर जो एचआर सर्विसेज होती हैं, वो दोज आर द क्लाइंट। और उन एचआर सर्विसेज के जो कंपनी ओनर्स होते हैं, जो ये सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करा रही हैं, वो दोज आर द एडमिन। और ऑडिटर्स कौन हो गए? ऑडिटर्स वो लोग हो गए जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर के जो सर्टिफिकेट्स वगैरह हैं, जो उनके डॉक्यूमेंट्स हैं, उनको वेरीफाई करके अप्रूव करें दैट दे आर गुड टू गो फॉर द सर्विसेज। बिकॉज दीज क्लाइंट फाइनली व्हाट गोना डू इज, ये क्लाइंट्स कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को प्लेस करेंगे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट जॉब्स पे। ठीक है, ठीक है, फॉर अ शॉर्ट टाइम बिंग। बट जो उनका पेरोल रहेगा कॉन्ट्रैक्टर का, वो क्लाइंट से रहेगा, ना कि डायरेक्टली एंड यूजर से। मेरे को अगर जैसे जरूरत है, मुझसे नहीं होगा, वो क्लाइंट उसको डायरेक्टली हैंडल करेगा, वो अपॉइंट करेगा किसी जॉब के लिए फॉर अ टाइम बिंग। और जब वो जॉब कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, वो वापस पूल में चला जाएगा क्लाइंट के। सो आई मीन, लाइक, दिस इज व्हाट द बिजनेस लॉजिक, बट वी आर नॉट हैंडलिंग इट, जस्ट फॉर द इंफॉर्मेशन पर्पसेस। ठीक है। सो वी हैव अ कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ऑनलाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन। ये पहली स्क्रीन होगी जो कॉन्ट्रैक्टर देखेगा। उसके अंदर ऊपर लॉगिन, अगर ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर्ड है तो लाइक वी हैव, मेरे को फीडबैक आ रहे हैं मेरी वॉइस के। सो अगर स्किल्ड हेल्थ ऑलरेडी, अगर कोई स्किल्ड वर्कर या कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ऑलरेडी रजिस्टर्ड है, ही हैव हिज यूजर नेम एंड पासवर्ड टू लॉग इन फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ हेडर। which we need to work out on the design,